Hi, welcome to my art mistake. In today's video, we're diving into the world of creativity, mistakes, and the magic of trusting the process. So grab your favorite art supplies, settle in, and let's get started. We're diving into the vibrant world of colorful painting and the beauty it brings to our lives. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner, the joy of playing with colors and creating something beautiful is unmatched. As you paint, take your time to carefully blend those hues and let your imagination run wild. Remember, each brushstroke carries a piece of your creativity, and every color adds a unique touch to your masterpiece. So, embrace the process, trust your instincts, and let the painting come to life with the magic of your art. As I begin painting the eye, I start with the outline, carefully sketching the shape. I then move on to the iris, using different shades of red to create depth and dimension. Remember, it's important to take your time and enjoy each stroke. Art is not about rushing to the finish line. It's about savoring every moment and letting your creativity flow. As I paint, I notice that the colors might not blend perfectly at first. That's okay. Trust the process and keep working with the paint. Sometimes the most beautiful effects come from unexpected combinations and happy little accidents. When I get to the eyelashes, I make a few strokes and, oops, one of the lashes goes astray. Instead of getting frustrated, I take a step back and see how I can incorporate this mistake into the artwork. I add a few more whimsical lines, and before I know it, the eye has a unique and enchanting look. You see, every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. Until next time, keep painting, keep exploring, and keep finding beauty in every brushstroke.